Alright, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Augusto back at it with another video today. So this is going to be another bike video, and we are going to be doing, I guess if you consider the quad lock mount as mod number 1, this would be mod number 2. But if you don't consider that as mod number 1, then this is going to be the official mod number 1. And I guess you could say that this is going to be the cheapest modification on this motorcycle moving forward. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, it is going to be the TST Fender Eliminator kit, as well as the integrated turn signals and relocation of the license plate in a low mount setting. So I'll show you guys what I have in the box here. Shout out to Moto Million for sending these out. We don't have a discount code, but obviously great experience so far. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I have. So this right here is going to be the integrated turn signals. This is going to be the bracket for the relocation kit for the license plate. This is going to be the block off plate for where we're going to be taking off the current stock location of everything. And this right here is going to be the light for the license plate. So stay tuned, guys. So for you guys that don't know, this is what it currently looks like. It doesn't look too bad compared to the previous years. This is a 2024 S1000RR. The 2022, I guess 2020 to 2022, this was a little bit lower and looked a little bit more atrocious, but this one seems like they're getting it right. But obviously we want these to be gone and inputted in here, and this not to be out here and located here. All right, so quick little update. Removed the seat and the passenger seat. So since I had a passenger seat, I had another plastic surrounding here. There was a T15 torque bit nut here that I had to take off. Everything's all set over here. That was what I was talking about. Rear seat, front seat. Now, basically all I gotta do is relieve this part right here and this wire in order for me to take off everything and then fish it through to take this whole bad boy off. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that I freed up these wires, I am going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30 bolts, and then we'll take off this cowl right here. So stay tuned. All right, so everything's all taken care of up here. I loosened up the current tail light mechanism, and now it's loose. So all I got to do now is just fish it through this hole, and we should be done with this part. So update, we took off the whole entire component here. As you guys can see, it's completely empty there now. What I'm going to do is start fishing the new TST integrated turn signals in this hole. Since I'm the only one filming here right now, I won't be able to show you guys that, but there is a lot more of detailed information on the TST Industries YouTube channel to fully see how they dissect this whole entire process here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'll show you guys the aftermath. Cool, guys, so let's go ahead and test this out. Everything has been wired, so as you guys can see, it's not flickering on in real life, it's just in camera LEDs for you. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and move forward with installing the relocator kit. So all right, guys, it's been a couple days since we did that last clip. We finally got the TST Industries fully installed with the Eliminator kit, or the block off plate in the back. A little review here. We took you guys to the infamous place. Can't leak this place to you guys yet, but once everyone starts finding it, obviously we could just go and leak that address. But I like filming here, so let's try not to ruin this spot here. So walk around to what we did. We did a TST Industries integrated signal lights. Now, thoughts on that product? Very, very good quality. It is bright, it does its job, and it just cleans up the whole entire back end of the bike, right? Now, the last clip, I believe I was talking about relocating the license plate number there, which I did. Now, I'm still debating if I wanted to go ahead and keep it there or move it back up to this area here. I'm sorry, guys, if it's super windy. It is really windy out here today in California, so bear with me there. But back to the topic, You guys let me know. Should I keep it here or should I move it up here? So let's do a little step back here. That's what it looks like. Personally, I think I like it there, but also I had to take off my pegs. It's not like I'm gonna have a backpack or anything like that, but the pegs did look like it was meant to be there, but now it just looks completely empty. So let me know what you guys think on that. By the way, I appreciate everyone's support here on this bike, on this channel, and to all the new subscribers, welcome. If you guys are watching it to this part of the video, I truly appreciate you guys' support. Now, the next video here today, I'm going to do a little walk around on this bike, exactly what I think about it so far. It is still in the break-in period, but that's all I got for you guys today. TST Industries, wiring, part of it, literally plug and play. I'm not really good at wiring, but if I could do it, you could do it. But yeah, like I said, this is all I got for you guys today. It's a short video. Thank you again so much for everyone's support here. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what content you guys want to see on the bike. I will disclose, I will not be doing any stupid riding like on the freeway or doing any pulls like that, because I care about my safety and everyone out there should ride safe. So with that said, stay tuned for the next video. Like always, stay positive and be awesome. Peace.